Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Diof. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing this beautiful wig from Kriyya Hair, 13x4 straight lace front wig, honey blonde highlight, human hair with streaks. So I did end up plucking just a little bit in the front so that it could look a little bit more natural. Right now, I'm gonna cut the lace into sections so that we can glue down each section. So I'm going to be using Ghost Bond glue to glue down this wig, and it's only going to be a little bit glue because I do wear my wigs temporarily, and then I make them glueless and add elastic bands on the side. So once the Ghost Bond go from white to clear, then you know it's time to glue down your wig. So right here I'm just gluing down each section that I cut into sections. And you know, we're just gonna make sure that it is secured. So we're gonna get our Ft.KriyyaHair spray, and we're just gonna go back in and spray the edges down. So now we're going to tie that down and let that dry a little bit and go right back in and cut the lace. So I've realized a big difference between using scissors and using this little razor right here. This razor makes it look a little bit more natural because it's not a straight cut. It's not a cut straight across. It is like, you know, a little zigzag. So it does make it look a little bit more natural. So I recommend everybody to, you know, get that razor to cut their laces off. So the wig did come in a middle part, but I did this wig in the middle part already. So I decided to try a side part. And I just can't wait till you guys see the finished look because it did come out nice. So I'm separating the hair that's going to be my baby hairs from the edges so that it can be easier to lay towards the end. So when I separate my baby hairs, I spray the Ft.KriyyaHair spray from the separation so that I can know that it's separated and the baby hairs can be flat already so that when it's time to lay it down, it's more easier. So I got my wax stick and I'm just putting it on top of the hair so that it can be flat. You're gonna get your hot comb and go over it, and this is how I think the wig gets flat. So I went back in and re-tied it down so I can fix the rest of the hair. So I ended up adding concealer to my part also because it wasn't really visible, but now it is. So this is how the section baby hairs looked. It looks so natural. Now we're gonna go ahead and lay the baby hairs. So once your baby hairs is laid, you go back in with your Ft.KriyyaHair spray and fix whatever needs to be fixing, and then you're gonna tie that back down. So now we're just flat ironing the hair, whatever needs to be straightened, and then go back in and fix whatever needs to be fixed, you know, with your hot comb and everything before you take out your little headband for your baby hairs. So when I took it out, this is how it ended up looking. Yes, look like sculpt, feel me? And yeah, I just feel like this is the most natural wig that I've ever laid down. Maybe it's because I put a lot of foundation on the lace, but this is how it looked, and I was very surprised. Shout out to Kriyya Hair for sending me this wig. It is very soft and everything. I ended up doing my makeup. And yeah, guys, this is the final look. The lashes that I'm wearing is from Young Africana. That will be down below. But shout out to Kriyya Hair for sending me this beautiful wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.